Hey, welcome back to Exploring Schisms. Today we're taking a look at auto, so come with me. Hey, what are you two working on over here?
Oh, we're just working on this motorcycle.
That's great. Can I ask you some questions about your schism?
Sure.
So, tell me, what made you choose this schism?
Well, when I was in grade 10, I was doing my blueprint, and I had picked the schism credit, not knowing what a schism was. And then I got called into guidance asking, she was like, do you know what schism stands for or what it is? And I was like, no, I just thought it was another credit. So then she explained it all to me and all the benefits you get and all the fun stuff you get to do and all the certifications, and I thought it'd be a great path for me to choose, so I signed up for it.
So, what are some cool opportunities you've gotten as part of this schism?
As being part of the schism and being a schism student, it comes with a lot of opportunities and perks, and well, some of them we get to go on field trips. Like we have our end of the year trip when we go to Canada's Wonderland. We've gotten to go to the International Center and go to the car show. We've actually gone to 2 different car shows, I believe, this year. We also get pretty cool shirts. You get shirts, jackets. I think you might get sweatpants. I don't remember.
When you take a schism course, you have to complete certifications like first aid. We have propane handling, forklift safety, things like that. And on a resume, that stuff looks really good. But also if you're applying to a college for any type of mechanics, you get your red seal on your diploma, which looks really good when you're applying to a college. And if you're just trying to get a job or go for an apprenticeship, you can put all this stuff on your resume, which also makes you stand out from the rest of the other people who haven't taken a schism or haven't gotten much certifications in the past.
SHSM is a 2-year program. It takes a 2-year commitment from grade 11 and 12, where students are given the opportunity to explore, identify, and refine their career goals in order to make informed decisions about post-secondary education and training and possibly next steps towards their career goals.
Join SHSM today. It's easy. All you have to do is go down to guidance and ask for a sign-up sheet, and you can pick whatever one you want.
Why should you join the Transportation SHSM? I would suggest joining the Transportation SHSM if you're interested in cars, if you're interested in motorcycles, interested in anything that is motive power related. We do it here. If you do join the SHSM, we also have special projects that just SHSM kids get to work on. For example, we have a 56 Studebaker Champion that we are doing a frame-off restoration on and doing an LS swap on it, and also putting a posi into the back, plus few other things that I won't share because they're surprises coming up. But we do have a rotisserie here, and we're one of the only schools in Blue Water who is doing a full resto on a car with a rotisserie, so that's always interesting too. So we do have special projects that just my Transportation SHSM students work on. So I would join it because you never know what your day is going to look like.